Let's talk materials because this one is so special and so warm. This entire mansion is built from champagne gold crystal infused with real 18K yellow gold flakes and champagne diamonds. It's not yellow gold, it's not rose gold, it's champagne gold. That perfect warm, honey, rose, sunset color. Each petal is made from this translucent champagne crystal that we pour liquid gold into while it's molten, so you get these real gold veins running through the crystal like marble, but gold. And then we hand set over 150,000 champagne diamonds, those beautiful light brown, super expensive diamonds, along every petal edge, every balcony, every window. The base structure is solid white concrete wrapped in gold leaf and crystal, so from far away it looks like the whole house is glowing from inside. At 5 p.m. when the California sun hits it, the whole house turns liquid gold. It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I literally cried the first time I saw it in person. Design is pure Malibu dream. We designed this specifically for that indoor-outdoor California lifestyle. It's 3 stories but very wide and sprawling, not tall and scary. About 7,500 square feet with huge, thick, outward curving petals that create the most amazing covered outdoor living spaces you've ever seen. Your lower petals are basically outdoor living rooms. We have a full outdoor kitchen built into one petal, a 20-person dining table under another, a lounge with a fireplace under a third. The middle petals wrap around to create huge private terraces off every single bedroom. Your master bedroom terrace alone is 800 square feet with a gold crystal railing and an infinity edge that looks out over your garden. The top rosebud is all glass and champagne crystal, and it's your private sunset observatory with a 360-degree view and a champagne bar built in. Inside, it's very organic, curved walls, travertine floors, bleached oak, linen sofas, that super expensive but looks effortless California luxury. No straight lines, everything flows like a real rose. Comfort? This is the most livable luxury house I've ever sold. That champagne crystal has this amazing thermal property. It absorbs heat during the day and slowly releases it at night, so your house is always perfect, 74 degrees, without even trying. The thick petals provide total shade so your AC bill is nothing even in Palm Springs. It's completely soundproof and private. Those big petals block all neighbors, but still feels open because of all the glass. And the light inside is just healing. It's that warm, golden, Instagram filter light all day long. Your skin looks amazing, your food looks amazing, your whole life looks amazing in here. Clients tell me they stopped using filters after moving in because the house asked the filter. Who is this for? This is for my West Coast queens, my wellness CEOs, my Malibu moms, my tech founders who sold their startup and want to actually enjoy life. This is for anyone who loves entertaining. Imagine hosting Friendsgiving under a golden petal with string lights. People will never leave. This is for the luxury vacation rental investor. Put this in Scottsdale, Malibu, Napa, or Miami and you will be booked solid at $12,000 a night by people who want that golden hour glow 24/7. If you want a house that feels like a warm hug, like endless summer, like success but make it soft and warm, honey, this champagne rose is your soulmate house. This isn't just a home, it's a lifestyle, it's a vibe, it's that California dream you worked so hard for. 8. The Midnight Sapphire Galaxy Rose, the ultramodern billionaire bunker. Okay, my modern guys, my dark luxury lovers, my Batman mansion lovers, this one. This is the Midnight Sapphire Galaxy Rose and it is not for beginners. Material breakdown, get ready. This house is made from deep midnight blue sapphire crystal, lab-grown sapphire, with black diamond dust and blackened titanium gold framework. Sapphire crystal is the second hardest material on Earth after diamond. They use it for fighter jet windows and $500,000 watches. So this house is literally bulletproof, scratch-proof, hurricane-proof, everything-proof. The color is this insane deep, inky, midnight blue that looks black at night and then when sun hits it, it explodes into this galaxy of blue sparkles. We embed black diamonds, real black diamonds, and blue sapphire chips into the crystal while it's forming, so it looks like a starry night sky inside the crystal. The frame is black and gold. We take 18K gold and treat it with a special process to make it dark, moody, gunmetal gold with platinum diamond accents. The windows are smoked diamond glass, super private. You can't see in, but you see everything out. This house at night? With uplighting? It looks like a glowing blue galaxy that landed in your backyard. It's unreal. Design is super aggressive, super modern, super architectural. We wanted to make the anti-princess rose. This is the villain-era rose, the power rose. It's 3 stories, very angular. Petals are sharp, pointed, reaching up like flames, not soft and round. The bottom petals are like huge shields that create a very private, fortress-like entrance. You drive through a sapphire tunnel to get in. Inside, it's all dark luxury, black marble floors, black oak, black leather, with sapphire blue LED accent lighting hidden in the petal seams. There's a 20-seat black theater built into one petal, a full nightclub with a DJ booth in another, a glass-bottom pool that hangs between 2 petals on the 2nd floor. The master suite is in the top bud, and it's all sapphire glass with a floating black platform bed and a skylight that shows the stars through blue crystal. It's sexy, it's moody. It's very, very expensive. Comfort is next-level security and privacy. Sapphire crystal is the most secure residential material in the world. You could hit it with a sledgehammer and it wouldn't scratch. It's fully smart home with biometric locks, facial recognition, panic room inside the core. But it's also super cozy. The dark crystal keeps it cool and cave-like in summer, warm and intimate in winter. The thick walls make it dead silent, perfect for sleeping, for working, for whatever billionaires do. And the blue light that filters in is super calming. It's the same wavelength they use for luxury sleep therapy. Who is this for? This is for my tech billionaires, my F1 drivers, my A-list actors who need privacy, my crypto founders who want a house that looks like a spaceship. This is for the guy who already has the white mansion and the gold mansion and now wants the one that makes people say, "Whoa, what I asked that?" This is for the luxury boutique hotel in Iceland, Aspen, or Tokyo that wants to be known as the coolest hotel in the world. If you want a house that feels like a James Bond villain's lair but make it fashion, if you want to be mysterious, powerful, untouchable, this Sapphire Galaxy Rose is your fortress. This is not a house. This is a statement that you play by your own rules. 9. The Emerald Secret Garden Rose, the Old World Money Garden Estate. Oh, my garden lovers, my European summer people, this is the one you've been waiting for. The Emerald Secret Garden Rose, and it's straight out of a fairy tale. Materials, this is nature luxury at its finest. The main structure is creamy white diamond crystal with 18K gold trim, but every single petal edge is wrapped in emerald green crystal made from real Colombian emerald dust fused into crystal. So you get this incredible contrast, pure white diamond house with glowing green edges, like a rose dipped in emeralds. The lower petals have living moss walls built into the crystal. Yes, real living moss inside crystal panels that self-waters. The balconies have solid emerald crystal railings with gold ivy details hand-carved by Italian artisans. The driveway is white marble with emerald crystal inlay, and the entire house is surrounded by a 2-acre English garden that we design and install for you. Roses, peonies, hydrangeas, lavender, the works, so the house literally blooms into the garden. The windows are clear diamond glass with emerald green diamond accents. Design is pure European garden estate. Think Cotswolds meets French Riviera. 3 stories, very romantic, very soft. Petals are wide and open like a fully bloomed garden rose, creating huge, covered garden rooms underneath. We designed each lower petal to be a different garden experience. One is a tea room with a fireplace, one is a greenhouse with a glass roof, one is an outdoor dining pavilion with a wood-fired pizza oven. The 2nd floor petals are all master suites that open onto private garden terraces where you can have breakfast surrounded by roses. The top bud is a library with a 360-degree view of your gardens and a telescope for stargazing. Inside, it's all about bringing the outside in. Lime wash walls, reclaimed oak beams, linen curtains, stone fireplaces, floral wallpaper hand-painted in Paris. It's not modern, it's timeless, it's warm, it's my grandmother had money and taste. Comfort is like living in a luxury greenhouse, but better. The white crystal reflects light deep into the house, so it's bright but never harsh, and the emerald edges cast this beautiful soft green light that makes everything look fresh and alive. The house is naturally cool in summer because of the garden microclimate and the crystal insulation, and cozy in winter with fireplaces in every petal. It's super quiet, super fragrant, because your garden surrounds you, you smell roses all day, and super healthy with all that oxygen and negative ions from the plants. People with anxiety tell me they feel instantly calm here. Who is this perfect for? This is for my old soul, my garden girlies, my European summer dreamers, my authors, my artists, my families who want their kids to grow up climbing trees and picking flowers, not staring at screens. This is for the luxury and owner in Charleston, Napa, or the Hamptons who wants to charge $8,000 a night for a garden escape that is booked out 2 years in advance. If you want a house that feels like a secret, like a hug, like coming home to a place that loves you back, if you want to live inside a painting, this Emerald Secret Garden Rose is your forever home. This is not a house, this is a love letter to beautiful living. 10. The Purest White Ice Palace Rose, the Winter Wonderland Diamond Castle. Okay, snow bunnies, aspen lovers, my Winter Wonderland queens, I saved the most magical one for you. The Purest White Ice Palace Rose, and when I say it looks like Elsa built it herself, I'm not exaggerating. Materials, this is the most pure, most expensive crystal we have ever made. The entire house is 100% flawless white diamond ice crystal, AAA grade, with 0 inclusions, 0 color, plus platinum and white diamond setting. This is not white glass, this is crystal so pure it's literally invisible in places. We use a special cryo-crystal process where we freeze the crystal as it forms to create these tiny ice fractures inside that catch light like real ice. Then we edge every petal with platinum and set it with round brilliant white diamonds, over 300,000 of them. The foundation is white marble with diamond dust, the doors are solid crystal with diamond handles that never get cold to the touch. The entire house sparkles like fresh snow and sunshine, even on a cloudy day, it glows white. At night with the built-in ice blue LED system, it looks like a glowing iceberg rose. It's the most magical thing you have ever seen, I promise. Design is pure winter palace. 3 stories, very tall, very vertical, petals reaching straight up like icicles or like a rose frozen mid-bloom. We designed it to look like a rose that was flash frozen at perfect peak bloom, so every petal is perfectly defined, super crisp. The lower petals create these amazing snow-sheltered courtyards. We put a hot tub in one, a fire pit in another, a glass igloo dining room in a third so you can eat outside in winter and stay warm. Inside, it's all alpine luxury, white fir throws, white oak floors, white marble fireplaces, cashmere everywhere. The master suite is in the top bud with a crystal dome ceiling so you can watch snowfall from your bed.